Welcome back to Spirit Work and Potions. Today we're making a Forest Park fizz, which is something I just came up with. It's going to have some pine adjacent notes to it, even though there's no pine, but there is rosemary. It's going to have some citrus notes in it, and it's going to have some nice creamy foam and some sparkly lift. So let's do that. First, I'm going to start with 2 ounces of Roku gin into a shaker with no ice. Be sure to go in this order so the drink doesn't curdle because there is heavy cream and citrus. Next, I'm adding 1 ounce of rosemary syrup, and the recipe for that will be in the description. I'm going to add in 1/2 ounce of Aperol because I'm trying to use up Aperol because I'm tired of drinking Aperol spritz. A 1/4 ounce of blackcurrant liqueur or cassis. Next, 1/2 ounce of grapefruit juice. 1/2 ounce of lemon juice. 1 ounce of egg white or just 1 egg white. 1 ounce of heavy cream. 2 dashes of grapefruit bitters. No, 3 dashes. Now we're going to give this a dry shake with no ice for about 30 seconds, and you can go up to a minute. It's really important to keep shaking because you really want to build up the structure from the cream and the egg white. It is kind of annoying and does take some time, but the longer you shake, the better your drink will be.
I'll do it.
Now we're going to add some ice to the shaker and do a wet shake. So just about maybe 3 to 4 small cubes, and that should be good. And then shake that as hard as you can for about 30 seconds. Next, pour your cocktail through a hawthorn strainer into a chilled glass with no ice. It really does matter what kind of glass you're using. It should be about an 8-ounce glass, and the taller the better, but I didn't have that, so that's why I'm using this. Another crucial step is to just let this rest for about 30 seconds. Some have you wait for about 5 to 10 minutes in the freezer, but I'm not doing that. And finally, I'm going to add in about 2 ounces of soda water, which I'm going to stream in really slowly and gently using the stem of a bar spoon. And it really does matter what kind of glass you have. You should have about a tall 8-ounce glass, but I didn't have that, but that will affect the rise. There you go, a Forest Park fizz. This is slightly sweet with some herbaceous notes from the rosemary, and if you don't like gin, this will probably change your mind. It did for me. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment or a like, and be sure to subscribe. Okay, bye.